At some point you hit rock bottom. At some point you stop falling, like the autumn winds crushing your spirit after the sun's warm kiss. Once the sun sets